probation team. Next, we have waiting period. Listen carefully. Again, 5-star marked interview question, scenario based. See, in the interview, never expect straightforward question anytime. Always they will come up with a problem and they will expect solution from you. So the questioning will be, they will give you a problem. Hey, I have this situation. What you will do in the system, like that. So you try to prepare yourself from the reverse way. Don't always expect that straightforward questions. What is reference data set? What is job? What is position? What is person number? Or what are departments? What are arbitrary? Never expect the questions like that. Sometimes, okay, if you are more lucky, you might expect this kind of questions, but always they will give you a problem and they will expect what feature is there in the system to solve that one. So we have next team, waiting period concept. What is waiting period? My client given me a requirement like this. Kumar, in my company, I have probation period, Kumar. Okay, probation period already we discussed in our core HR module team. So whenever we hiring the employee on the assignment level, probation concept is there. My client telling me the requirement like this. Kumar, in my company, for all the new joinees, I have probation period of 3 months policy. So first 3 months, everyone will be in probation, Kumar. After that only we will review and we will decide whether we have to continue that people or we have to send them out. Okay. Here what my client telling, Kumar, during this period of probation, I don't want to provide any type of leaves to my employees, Kumar. What is that team? What is that team? What my client telling? What my client telling? Kumar, during the probation time, I don't want to provide any type of leaves to my employees. How then? So let's take up Tata annual leave plan that we are creating. Let's say I have something called Mr. Ranjan is there. Okay. So today on 19th March 2026, I hired Mr. Ranjan. Technically, he is eligible to this leave. Okay. Tata annual leave plan. Okay. But what my client telling, the requirement, first 3 months, they don't want to give any type of leaves. Then we have team something called a waiting period. Whenever I'm configuring the plan, waiting period 3, then unit of measure for that team, months. If I enable waiting period, what happens, team? Waiting period. Okay, waiting period. 3 months I am giving team currently in the system, waiting period of 3 months I am giving team. What happens, it's a window period I am enabling for the plan. Employee have to wait for that period. Today I hired Ranjan on 19th March 2026. He is eligible to the plan, but still plan will not enroll to him. After the completion of 3 months, 19th April, 19th May, 19th June. On 19th June 2026, plan will enroll to Ranjan. Till that time, the plan itself will not enroll to him. That's what happens in waiting period team. If plan itself not enrolled, from where balances will come to Ranjan, what he will apply in the system, right? So waiting period while you configuring the plan, the behavior will be like this team. So March to April, April to May, May to June. So 3 months employee have to wait in the system. Now some of you might get a question here. Some people might having this question immediately after this. Kumar, let's say client asking you, Kumar, yes, in the first 3 months, I don't want any employee to take any leave. But from day one, plan should enroll to the employee. Every month, balances also should come to the employee each month 2 days. But only first 3 months, he cannot apply them. That's all. From fourth month onwards, he is eligible to apply. Then how you will configure this? For that team, in the accruals tab, we have one more concept called vesting period for that matter. So we will achieve that requirement with vesting. Waiting period means strictly plan itself will not enroll for that period. The word see wait, waiting period. You have to wait. Whatever the period I'm specifying there, employee have to wait for that period team. After completion of that period, plan will enroll to him and then his balances will start. Not the previous 3 months. He lose that 3 months in his career in the company, not getting any plan balances. In third month, when the plan enroll, once the month completes, first 2 days will deposit. Then 2 plus 2 plus 2, the travel will starting. So waiting period concept is that one. Then we have team in the accruals tab next, vesting rule. What is this team? Yesterday I explained you here waiting period concept. But contradicting to that team, I have one more concept called a vesting period. Simple. Very slight difference is there. And an important five-star marked question. What is the difference between waiting and vesting? Make a note of it. Team. Definite question. Okay. Just have a quick recap. In waiting period, what we are doing, team, whenever employee joined the organization, plan is not enrolling to him. 3 months waiting if I enable, employee have to wait for that period and in fourth month, plan is enrolling to the employee. So technically his first 3 months career he is losing. No balances are also coming. From fourth month, plan will enroll. His first 2 days will start from there onwards. But vesting rule is what you know, team. From day one, plan will enroll. Every month end, accruals 2 days will start. But first 3 months or whatever the period we giving, employee cannot utilize that balance. After that period, he can utilize team. Slight twisting. In waiting period, till that period what we enable, plan itself not enrolling to the employee. So technically, no balance also coming to the employee. But in vesting period team, plan will enroll on day one. Every month balances will come. But only thing is employee cannot use them. After that period, he can use team. So whenever we configuring our absence plan, either waiting or vesting we can enable, both we cannot team. So vesting rule, if you want team, elapsed period, then duration 3 months or 4 months, whatever it is team, you can enable that here. So here waiting is there, here vesting is there team. So that what is your client requirement, you can go with that team.